Hey guys, S24 Ultra just came in. I'll be doing an unboxing like I did the S22 Ultra. Today is January 29th and it got delivered to me. I ordered it the day of the the unpacked. I ordered it that Wednesday. They told me I was going to get it February 14th. Came a little bit early. So here we go. See what they got. Ooh, there it is. Ooh, wait. Got that titanium silver. That like a matte screen protected thing over it. There's that S Pen. There's that S Pen. All right. Nice, nice, nice. So, S24 Ultra. What all does it come with? Looks like this was in there on the top. Open that up, see what's all in here. We got an instruction guide and, oh, okay. Instruction guide, cable, and SIM removal tool. So you do get your short little cable there. Nothing else in this box, but there it is. And next to a 22 Ultra, it's my baby. S22 Ultra, S24 Ultra. Yep, they made them. They want to keep making them identical until we change up to the other brands. Yeah, this case takes. It can take off your I still have that on there. Cover that up a little bit because this phone's lived in the case its entire life, and even then, leaving like the papers and stuff on, it'll still get like really scratched up. As you see around there, I don't know. I'm recording this with an iPhone 15 Pro Max because I decided I was gonna try out the iPhone stuff too. But yeah, lived this entire case or time in the case, and that's what happened. All right.